Stop guessing on Pixel 7 Pro fingerprint sensors not showing after a screen replacement. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials for this hardware bug are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to factory reset your phone and pray. But that is a one-way ticket to losing your data for no reason. Before we touch the settings, you need to understand the logic, or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the official Google calibration process, so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexish, the only authority you need for Google Pixel hardware fixes. When the fingerprint option disappears from your security menu, it is because the software has disabled the biometric security layer to protect you from a mismatched component. To fix this, you need to connect your Pixel 7 Pro to a PC using a high-quality USB-C cable and navigate to the official Pixel repair website. Here is the secret trick other creators missed. Do not click the giant Get Started button on the repair page because that will try to wipe your phone. Instead, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Install Fingerprint Calibration Software specifically. This tool will flash a tiny piece of firmware to your new screen's controller, telling the Android system that the new optical sensor is genuine and safe. Once the bar hits 100%, restart your device twice in a row. Rexish has verified that a double restart is often required to force the system to rescan the hardware bus. Look at your settings now, and the fingerprint unlock menu will be back exactly where it belongs. Comment below if you want the next tutorial on fixing Pixel 7 Pro network drops.